How to edit videos on Instagram without posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that Instagram has amazing video editing tools that you can use without actually posting your video, whether it's adding filters, trimming clips or enhancing the brightness? Instagram make it super easy to polish your video before sharing them. In this video, I'll show you how to edit video in Instagram without posting. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the Instagram app, and once you have opened the Instagram app, simply tap on the plus button located in the bottom center of the screen. From here, choose the video you want to edit from your gallery, and once selected, tap next in the upper right corner. Now that you have selected your video, look for the edit video button at the bottom left corner and tap on it. And this will take you to the Instagram editing interface where all the magic happens. Here you can explore a variety of editing tools. You can add filters to enhance the mood, trim your clips to highlight the best parts, and adjust the brightness or contrast to make your video pop. Instagram also lets you to add music from its library or upload your own audio track. Want to get creative? You can simply add text overlays for caption or titles, or even insert font stickers to boost visual appeal, and even record voiceovers directly within the app. These features let you personalize your video to make it truly stand out. And once you are done editing, it's time to save your work. Tap on edited video and look for the download icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now simply tap on that and the pop-up menu will appear. From there, simply tap on Save to Camera Roll, and this will save your edited video directly to your device storage. Now that your video is saved locally, you have couple of options. You can either save it as a draft if you want to make more edits later, or discard it if you are happy with your edits and don't want to post it just yet. To check out newly edited video, head over to your phone gallery, and from there you can view, share or use it however you like. And that's it. Editing videos on Instagram without posting is that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.